How to log in KUCCPS account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to open up your preferred browser on your PC. After that, in the search bar, you have to click and search for KUCCPS. Soon after searching, you'll be able to see this interface where there's student login, so you have to go for that. After that, a student portal of KUCCPS will be opened, where you have to enter your KCSE index number, KCSE year, and your password. In order to enter, you can simply click on the text box and enter your index number on the first text box. In the second text box, you can click and select your KCSE number. You can click on this drop down sign, and from over there you can adjust your KCSE year. In the third text box, you can select and enter your password. Before entering, you need to read that use your birth certificate number or KCPE index number is used in KCSE exam registration as your initial password. You need to enter the exact information, so you need to be careful while entering the information. If you got any you also must notice that the deadline for fulfilling this is 10 days, 19 hours and 42 minutes. And after entering all the information, you can go for login option. And by doing that, you'll be logged in into your KUCCPS account. So by following this simple step, you can log in KUCCPS account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.